Instagram is an app that you can connect with friends, share what you're up to, or see what's new from others all over the world. Explore the community where you can feel free to be yourself and share everything from your daily moments to life's highlights. Let's see how to install Instagram on Android. First, we need to go to Google Play. So open Google Play. On the search above, write Instagram. Now tap on search. After you have found the app, just tap on install and wait. You have now installed Instagram on your Android device. Now just tap on open. You have the possibility to log in with Facebook, with your email or phone number. Let's log in with Facebook. So tap log in with Facebook. Now you are connected on Instagram from your Android phone. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them on the comments area below.